Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image a long time ago. Memory of California. I have this subject today and I have this image. I made this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop used filter called Find Edges. As you see this perforation little hole of the film, 35mm reversal film, this is pretty much old. It's not out of focus or anything like that, but it's small data, it's not real sharp, not like digital camera these days. Old Nikon. Anyways, I'm gonna make something interesting, something impressive illustration type image from these two images. Now, let's get started. Okay, I have this pencil drawing type image. It's not real quite sharp lines, but still we can, I can manage like smudging to make something illustration type image from this not real sharp lines. Anyways, okay, I'm gonna change blend mode first to see some image base color, okay, to find something interesting. Let's see. Before check this changing blend mode, I want to see this base image, original image. I'm going to duplicate layer, then I'm going to change hue saturation first. Now bring this saturation up, then lightness go up, touch more, see some shadow area, about this much. And okay, looking at skin tone, I'm going to change hue this much, and saturation goes up pretty high. So base color is skin tone first, I think. Hue saturation should affect just under layer. So now we can see this compare before, after. I'm gonna just merge down. So we have this original image now. Open up this pencil drawing type image. Then let me see. From normal to darken. Multiply. Color burn. Yeah, linear burn. A little bit interesting. Overlay. How's this? Lighten up. Oh, I shouldn't merge down so I can touch the hue on this situation. So, okay, I'm gonna go back. Okay, right here. I want to touch this. I shouldn't merge down. So now I'm gonna change this pencil drawing type image. Then change it to overlay, then tone down. Now I want to see, this is pretty much yellowish, so I'm going to change the hue. That was 3, right? Now it's too much, so just go down -2, and tone is pretty bright, so about this much. Then let's see. This is, interesting too. But let me see the others. What do you think? We can touch this hue saturation and blend mode. This pencil drawing type image. Blend mode is luminosity. Then we can change this hue to get different colors. about touch yellowish or maybe more magenta and blue. I'm looking for a base color. Okay, here it goes, -13. Pretty much magenta in it and a bluer in shadow side. That's pretty nice color balance, I think. So, okay. Now I'm gonna select multiple. 1, 2, 3. Okay, these 3 layers got this color, so I'm gonna duplicate layers. Now I got 3 of them, and I think I was gonna merge down all the layers, all 3 of them. I guess I gotta merge down first on this hue. No. Yeah, I guess one by one, huh? One each. Okay. I'm gonna merge down first. Then select 2. Now merge selected. Okay. I got this 3 layers combined to 1 layer. Then blend mode is normal. Now I'm going to duplicate this layer. Then I'm going to change this top of this layer, blend mode, change to multiply, then merge down. It's 2 dark colors, I think. Well, how about bring this very first original one. Move this one up. Okay, turn it off, this original one too. Then turn on original color. This is too much red, so go down. Okay, about this much for original. Then turn on this pencil drawing type image. It's much softer, huh? This one is a luminosity. So I'm gonna get just a touch more red in it. Okay, about this much. Okay, this is much shadow color than this. This is too much, too dark, isn't it? So I'm gonna just turn it off. Then now I see 3 layers to see this, so I'm gonna select multiple, then 1, 2, 3 to get this pretty much shadow color layers. Okay, duplicate layers, then again. Okay, merge down this pencil drawing, merge down. Now I got 1 image. This one is normal image, right? Right. Now let's see. If I bring this one up, then compare to this. This is too dark. This is pretty much thin. So I'm gonna see this image over this image, original image. Let's see. Change blend mode to I want to lighten up this base image. Let's see if I lighten up this. Now brightness, contrast, effect underneath, low contrast, brightness up. Then let's see this color burn image, change to linear burn. Still kind of harsh. Well, okay, as a base, I don't use this pretty dark color. Well, okay, let's change the name of the layers. Okay, this is the original image. Then I add hue saturation to change this color to this. Now that's too much, I know. Then this one is pencil drawing type image, original, but I changed the luminosity blend mode. So I'm going to bring this one back to normal. Now, this one is same original image. I just duplicate. Then I changed the, now this time brightness contrast to lighten up a little bit, low contrast. Then I made a luminosity effect layer, add with a linear burn to this original image, lighten up image. Then this one is same luminosity effect layer but darker color. So if I see it, that's too much dark. This is normal and opacity is this much. This is too dark. So I use this one as a linear burn. That's too dark, so tone down opacity down to about 20%. So that's now I just clean up, but still kind of hard dark image. So I gotta do something. Well, I'm gonna turn these original images, just turn it off to keep it. Then I only work for this 3, 4. Then let's see if I change this brightness contrast. Just lighten up. This luminosity burn. Well, let me see. Turn it off this. And this is a linear burn. Yeah, I guess we can see the outlines of this building too. So I want to make this image as a base. Let's start from this image now. Now I'm going to add some color and I'm going to smudge to make some illustration type image. I'm going to smudge on this base image. Alright, I'm going to use dry media to pastel square smudge tool on this original image. Almost done for smudging. Get texture on this base image. Now I'm going to add colors and also I'm going to smudge. Okay, I'm going to add layer on over this. Then I'm going to paint on here. So in that case, it's not going to affect anything on this color layer. So let's see. Start from paintbrush. Now I want to make it some kind of light image of the kind of pencil drawing type image. So I'm gonna paint on this with, let's see, soft chalk to paint on. Pastel color. Nice colors, blue and red here, maybe flower or something. On top of this roof. It's greenish. I'm smudging. Now I want to add some more, just a touch more colors. Soft chalk. Okay, now this is almost done for without mask. I'm gonna add mask. I'm gonna add layer, then pick some white to fill in on this layer. Okay, pixel. Now I'm gonna create the empty mask. Then I'm gonna review this white, let me see, soft chalk. Well, I'm gonna change this pastel square. I don't know if I want to add this outlines. It's kind of interesting, this perforation window and the little drawing. Well, leave it this way then, this time. We have this layer, so. Okay, now what else? Okay. I think that's it. Okay, turn this one off. Original image. Okay. This is my original starting image, and I smudged. Then brightness, contrast, lighten up the image and smudge the image. This is the base. Then I add some colors. Then I'm gonna use luminosity effect layer, blend mode is linear burn, like this. Then I made mask on this image, white mask. Then reveal this mask. This much from this base to only this density. Then I add luminosity effect, a little bit dark image, but toned down to 20% to get this surrounding outlines some. Then this is last one, finished result. Well, thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie is going to give you some kind of idea for your creative work. Changing blend mode, using mask, and using these appearances, brightness, contrast, and a hue saturation type arrange to get some image and add this white layer as a mask to get part of the image, to get the result. Well, thank you again, and you guys have a nice day, and I really appreciate for you guys' support, and well, see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.